While our cats lived together as a family, they were at heart like all felines, individualists, which meant working together as a group did not come naturally, and disorganisation was often the order of the day.
Cheetah, what are you doing with the couch?
Where has the television gone?
What has happened to the library?
Okay, who put the television in the oven with the cake?
Meow.
Who would do this to an oven? It makes no sense.
Who would do this to a television?
I was doing you a favour, Pierre. You like cooking and cooking shows, so I put the two together.
Okay, well, that makes sense.
And who threw the library filing system out the window? Literally, out the window.
That was moi, but I have a whole new organizational approach, Miley. Rather than listing books alphabetically by the author's name, I've done it according to the color of their hair.
What?
Again, makes sense.
Really? Okay, I'd like something by Shakespeare, please.
Hair color?
We don't know.
Okay, easy. That will be in the we don't know pile.
Again, makes sense.
For goodness sake, Cheetah.
Oh.
You and Last Chance have been going in circles with that couch for hours. Don't you have a plan?
Most definitely. Oh, 100%. Not.
Much and all as Kitty loved the cats and their mad ways, sometimes the chaos could make it a little hard to think straight. If only she could find a way to show them how to work together, things might settle down. It was then she noticed some tiny creatures that might just be able to help.
That is enough, everyone. I can't think straight. And goodness knows what this chaos is doing to Kitty. Where is Kitty?
Meow.
Oh, where did you find that jar, dear?
And how did you find that book?
Hair color.
We can learn a lot from observing ants. They are some of the most organised creatures on the planet who work together for the benefit of the colony and not themselves. And apparently, they really love sweet things. I see what you're getting at, Kitty.
Whoa, no offense, Kitty, but learning from ants? Seriously? I mean, they're itty-bitty insects with itty-bitty brains.
Although they do seem to have very large heads compared to the rest of their bodies. Don't you, Mr. Ant?
I don't think that is its head, Petal. Its antennas, they are on the other end.
Oh, well, there's a lesson in bad manners right there.
I'm afraid I have to agree with Cheetah. I mean, I don't think there's much we can learn from ants. When it comes to teamwork, we cats are in a league of our own. No?
Oh?
Case in point, it took 3 cats working closely together for that to happen.
Ants are also incredibly strong, being able to lift up to 10 times their own weight.
Oh, please, Miley. They're this big.
While peaceful if left alone, ants are fearless fighters if the colony is disturbed.
Oh, give me a break. It's okay, everyone. These ants just need to know who's running this lesson.
Cheetah, they are getting very upset, especially the big one.
You want a piece of me, big guy? Oh, really? Yeah, well, okay. I hear you.
Cheetah? Seriously? You're going to fight an ant?
No, Miley, I'm gonna kick some ant butt. Or head. I'm still not totally sure which is which.
Apparently the head is the bit with antennae on it. I found that out the rude way.
Stand back, everyone, and let nature take its course.
Oh, for Pete's sake.
Pete? Pete? Ho, ho, ho! Oh, you know this guy, eh?
It's an expression.
Well, Pete the ant, it's time you learned something from a cat. Meow. Don't worry, kitty. I'll be okay. Pierre, lift the lid.
Don't worry, Kitty, the ant will be fine. We cats can't help ourselves when it comes to chasing anything that is a fraction of our size and moves. No one gets hurt. Except possibly the cat.
What? Whoa, 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 whoa! That's not fair! It's like 500 to 1!
Well, to be fair, you are like 500 times Pete's size.
That was the whole point, Miley! Oh, no! Quick, everyone, the ants are working as a team. Let's demonstrate what happens when us cats get our heads together. That showed them. Okay, just let me know when you ants have had enough. Don't worry, Cheetah, I've got your back. If you don't mind, I might continue to sit this one out. Oh, the room's spinning and I don't know why.
Don't worry, Kitty. At least there seems to be a plan for moving the couch. We could never agree on one.
Ming's right. We can never agree on anything, and that's why we're in this situation.
Actually, we are in this situation because Cheetah started a fight with an ant, which he is now losing. As usual, Cheetah was trying to have his cake and eat it too.
Okay, so an ant can lift 10 times its own weight, and I'm about 15 kilos. Miley, how many ants do we think we have here?
1,857,046 at a guess. To put it another way, more than enough.
Huh?
Kitty, what are you doing? This is no time for cake. Actually, scratch that thought. It's always time for cake.
That's it. Kitty's got a plan. Everyone grab a piece of cake and work together to follow Kitty.
Meow!
Now it's just you and me, Pete. Why, yada. Yeah, well, Kitty, I suppose I learned a few things, like first up, never trust Miley's weight-to-body calculations.
Meow.
And yeah, working together, bloody-blah. It's a good thing, I get it. And you know what else I learned? Pete can really play piano.
While it was clear that the ants were a lot more organised than our cats, and possibly even smarter than one or two in particular, Kitty still had no doubts as to who she would rather spend her time with. Which was the cats, just in case you might be wondering.